Mайлз Гендон walked fast to the bridge. He looked for the boy and the king. He asked people in Southwark. He found no more signs. He was tired and hungry. He ate at the Tabard Inn and went to bed. He thought the boy would go to Hendon Hall. He decided to leave Southwark early the next day. Questions. Where did Mайлз Гендон go? Who was he looking for? Why did he go to bed? What did he decide to do next? A man followed the boy and the king. He walked behind them quietly. His arm was in a sling and he wore an eye patch. He used a wooden stick to walk. The boy took the king away from London. The king got angry and wanted to stop. The boy said his friend was hurt in the woods. The king changed his mind and wanted to go fast. Questions. Who followed the boy and the king? How did the man walk? Where did the boy say his friend was? Why did the king change his mind? They went into the woods. They saw a stick with a rag tied to it. They followed more sticks like this. They found an old burnt house and a broken barn. No one was in the barn. The king asked, "Where is he?" The boy laughed in a mean way. Then the man with the limp came in and laughed too. Questions. What did they see in the woods? Where did they go next? Was anyone in the barn? Who laughed at the king? The king got very angry. He asked the man who he was. The man said, "I am your father." The king said, "I am the king." The man said his name was now John Hobbs. He told the boy to remember his new name was Jack. He asked about the boy's mother and sisters. The king said his mother was dead and his sisters were in the palace. Questions. Was the king happy? What name did the man give himself? What name did he give the boy? Where did the king say his sisters were?
Еще более подробные уроки на платформе stepik.org, а также в нашем Telegram-приложении. Все ссылки в описании.